Good morning, students. Today we have to discuss regarding not-for-profit organization. In this period, we have to discuss the meaning, some basic terms used in not-for-profit organizations, and preparation of income and expenditure account and balance sheet with the help of receipt and payment account and additional information. Now we have to know the meaning of the not-for-profit organization. The organizations which are set up for promotion of education, culture, sports, charity, health, etc. for the objective of general public utility is known as not-for-profit organization. The basic objective of the not-for-profit organization is to render social services instead of earning profit, which is just reverse of your business. The main objective of the business is to earn profit by satisfying the consumer needs, but here our main objective is to render social services instead of earning profit. Now we have to discuss some important terms used in your not-for-profit organization, that is your subscription, donation, grant, legacy, endowment fund and honorarium charges. Now we have to discuss one by one. The amount received from the members of the organization to carry on organizational activities smoothly is known as subscription, and it will be shown in the receipt and payment account in the receipt side and in the income and expenditure account in the income side. And it is the main source of income for the organization. And number two, donation, the amount received from the persons or companies or business enterprises at their own will for operating the business activities smoothly is known as donation. It is also divided into two parts, that is general purposes and specific purposes. General purposes we are utilized for the operating activities, and for the specific purpose we are utilized only for that purposes. For example, someone is given donation rupees 5 lakh for construction of building of the school. The school will be utilized only for construction of building, nothing more. Likely grant, the amount received from the central government, state government or local government to carry on the organizational activities smoothly is known as grant. That is also like your donation, may be general or may be specific. If specific, it will be capitalized and will be shown in the liability side of the balance sheet. Then come to legacy. Legacy means the person who have no any legal successor. In this case, the total property of the person may be given to any organization for the development of the society at his own will is known as legacy, and it is fully capitalized nature and will be shown in the balance sheet in the liability side. Then endowment fund, the fund provided permanent means of support to the organization is known as endowment fund. It is just like your fixed deposit. That means giving a regular income to the organization. Then we have to solve one question related with your not-for-profit organization. Prepare an income and expenditure account and balance sheet of a club as on 31st March 2020 from the following information. That means a receipt and payment account is given, to balance brought down 25,000, to subscription 75,000, to donation 20,000, to entrance fee 15,000, to sale of newspaper 2,000. And in the payment side, by salary 30,000, by rent 20,000, by furniture 25,000, which was purchased 1/1/2020, and by balance carried down 57,000. Then additional information, subscription outstanding during the year 6,000, rent paid in advance rupees 4,000, salary outstanding 5,000, and depreciation on furniture at the rate of 10% per annum. Books 10,000, furniture rupees 1,30,000 of the club as on 1st April 2019. With this information, we have to prepare opening balance sheet, income and expenditure and closing balance sheet. We have to prepare opening balance sheet to know the capital fund or to know the missing figure. Any missing figure may be given, we have to find out with the help of opening balance sheet. And income and expenditure account to prepare to know the net surplus or net deficiency, and balance sheet we prepare to know the exact financial condition of the organization or true financial condition of the organization. It shows the status of the organization, that is your assets and liabilities of the company during a specific period of time. Then you have to prepare the opening balance sheet with the help of the information, that is your cash in hand 25,000, books 10,000, furniture 1,30,000, liability side nothing is given. So, total amount 1,65,000 directly transferred to your capital figure, that is your balancing figure. Here capital fund is not given, so you have to write capital fund. Then you have to prepare income and expenditure account as on 31st March 2020 of the club. Your expenditure side and income side, debit side is your expenditure, credit side is your income. So, 2 salary 30,000, add outstanding 5,000, 35, 2 rent 20, less prepaid 4,000, that is 16,000, to purchase of newspaper 5,000, to depreciation on furniture 13,625. When you calculate depreciation, we have to remember two things, that is your 1,30,000 was utilized for full year and 25,000 was utilized for 3 months. So, 1,30,000 into 10 by 100, 13,000, and 25,000 into 10 by 100 into 3 by 12, that is 625. The total depreciation is your 13,625. And by substitution 75,000, add outstanding 6,000 and 81,000, by donation 20,000, by entrance fee 15,000, by sale of newspaper 2,000. So, our income side is your 1,18,000, and our income side is more than the expenditure side. So, we write 2 surplus, excess of income over expenditure transferred to capital fund, that is 48,375. Now, with the help of the following information, we have to prepare balance sheet on the closing date, that is your assets and liabilities you have taken. In the asset side, cash in hand 57, subscription outstanding 6,000, prepaid rent 4,000, books 10,000, furniture 1,30,000, add purchase 25, less depreciation 13,625, that is 1,41,375, that is 2,18,375. Now, come to liability side, salary outstanding 5,000, capital fund 1,65,000, add surplus 48,375, that is 2,13,375, that is 2,18,375. Now, both the assets and liabilities are matched. So, it is assumed that our solution is correct. That is about today, and we have to discuss we have to discuss another type of questions related with your not-profit organization in the next period. Thank you. Have a nice day.